St. John. Welcome to Fan Expo. Come see us next year.
Yeah, man, we here at the Boxan Expo, having fun. Showtime Shop Porter. This is my booth. These are my fans. They love me. I love them. Having a great time, man. It's gonna be a great night. The Mayweather might down to fight us later. We're gonna rock out here, then we're gonna rock out there. Going through the Boxan Expo.
Welcome to the Boxan Expo, one of the biggest events where you can meet some of the world's biggest fighters. We'll be doing this next year, the year after. It's a really big event. Come check it out.
I live in Vegas, and I'm a boxing fan. That's how I heard. I wouldn't miss it.
Yeah, you used to box yourself before, right?
I did. I wouldn't be here today if it wasn't for boxing. I mean alive, but I wouldn't be where I am today.
We made this happen. That was a plan. I told you that was a plan.
I want to say hello to everyone. Thanks for coming at the expo. It's a great event. It's amazing. The first time all boxes combined, celebrities. So I got somebody over to try my product, prominent Marcus brand, designed by myself.
At the Boxan Expo right now, we in my booth, the thrones for kings. You know what I'm saying? It's popping. You missed it, next year, get with us.